Find the derivative of x into sin x from the first principle. Solution is, let the given function is f of x is equals x into sin x, and f of x plus h. Now substitute here x is equals x plus h. So substitute x is equals x plus h. So x plus h into sin of x is equals x plus h. Sin of x plus h. The first principle is or definition. So formula f dash of x is equals limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So this is first principle. Now substitute here f of x plus h is equals x plus h into sin of x plus h. F dash of x is equals limit h tends to 0. So f of x plus h is equals x plus h into sin x plus h. X plus h into sin of x plus h minus substitute f of x is equals x into sin x. By h. So limit h tends to 0. So x into sin of x plus h, x into sin of x plus h, plus h into sin of x plus h, h into sin of x plus h minus x into sin x divided by h. Now take here x common. So from here x common. So limit h tends to 0. So here x common, x into sin of x plus h, minus, so here x common minus sin x. So remaining h into, right here, h into sin of x plus h by h. Alright, limit h tends to 0, x into sin of x plus h minus sin x by h plus limit h tends to 0, h of sin of x plus h by h. So h1 ja. Sin c minus sin d formula, 2 cos of c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. So limit h tends to 0, x by h into sine of x plus h. Here c is equals x plus h and d is equal to x. 2 into cos of c is equal to x plus h plus d is equal to x plus h plus x by 2 into sine of x plus h minus x by 2. So plus sine of x plus h. So a substitute h is equals 0 plus sine of x plus h is equals 0. So here plus x minus x cancel. So limit h tends to 0, x into 2 cos of x plus x 2x plus h by 2 into limit h tends to 0 sin h by 2 by h plus sin of x plus 0 sin x. Now substitute here h is equal to 0. So x into cos of 2x plus 0 by 2. So 2 into limit h tends to 0 sin of h by 2 by h, and here multiply and divide with 2. Plus sin x. So 2 ones are x into cos of x into cos x, 2 into limit h tends to 0 sin of h by 2 by h by 2, that is 1 into 1 plus sin x into 1 by 2, by 1 by, so write 2, this is 2 plus sin x. So here 2 ones are, so formula is limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equals, so 1. Limit x tends to 0 sin x by x equals 1. So here x is equal to h by 2. Limit h tends to 0 sin h by 2 by h by 2 is equals 1. So f dash of x is equals x into cos x plus sin x. Find the derivative of cos square x from the first principle. Let f of x is equals cos square x and f of x plus h is equals cos square, substitute x is equals x plus h. Now the first principle or definition is f dash of x is equals limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Now substitute f of x plus h is equals cos square of x plus h. F of x plus h is equals cos square of x plus h, and f of x is equals cos square x. So f dash of x is equals limit h tends to 0. F of x plus h is equals cos square of x plus h. Cos square of x plus h minus f of x is equals cos square x. Cos square x by h. So cos square b minus cos square a formula, sin of a plus b into sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. So let this is b and this is a. X plus h is equal to b and x is equals a. So limit h tends to 0, cos square b minus cos square a. So sin of a plus b. So sin of a is equals x. A is equal to x plus b is equal to here x plus h. X plus h into sin of a is equal to x minus b is equals x plus h. So x plus into minus h divided by h. So plus x minus x cancel. Now write here limit h tends to 0, x plus x to x, sin of 2x plus h into limit h tends to 0, sin of minus h minus sin h by write h here. So limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0, sin x by x formula, sin x by x is equals 1. Sin x by x equals 1. So limit, so limit h tends to 0, sin of 2x plus h. So substitute h is equals 0. So sin of 2x plus substitute h is equal 0 plus h is equal 0. So limit h tends to 0, sin of minus sin h by h is equals 1. So minus 1, right here minus 1. So sin of 2x plus 0 into minus 1 equal minus sin 2x, or minus sin 2x equals minus sin 2x equal to sin x cos x. So this is f dash of x. Find the derivative of sin 2x from the first principle or definition. Solution: let f of x is equal to given function, that is sin 2x. F of x is equal to sin 2x. Alright, f of x plus h. F of x plus h. So here x is equals x and substitute x equal to x plus h. So sin 2 of x is equals x plus h. X plus h. So sin 2 into x 2x plus 2 into h 2h. So first principle is, that is f dash of x is equals limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. F dash of x is equals f dash of x equal limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h is equal substitute sine of 2x plus 2h, sine of 2x plus 2h minus f of x equals sine 2x. So here f of x equals sine 2x, f of x sine 2x minus sine 2x by h. So this is in the form of sine c minus sine d. So here c equal to 2x plus 2h and d is equal to 2x. Sine c minus sine d formula, sine c minus sine d is equals 2 cos of c plus d by 2 into sine of c minus d by 2. So limit h tends to 0 2 into cos of, so here c is equals 2x plus 2h, 2x plus 2h plus d is equal to x by 2 into sine of c is equals 2x plus 2h minus d is equals 2x by 2. So here plus 2x minus 2x cancel. So here write by h, by h. So limit h tends to 0 2 into cos of 2x plus 2x 4x plus 2h by 2 into sine of 2h by 2. So 2 ones are, so right here by h, by h. So 2 into limit h tends to 0 cos of 4x plus 2h by 2, 4x plus 2h by 2 into limit h tends to 0 sin h by h, sin h by h, 2 into substitute here h is equals 0 cos of 4x plus 2 into substitute h equals 0, 2 into 0 0 by 2. So here limit h tends to 0 sin h by h 1. So limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equals 1. Okay, so 2 ones are 2 2s are 2 cos 2x. So f dash of x is equals 2 cos 2x, 2 into cos 2x. Find the derivative of cos x from the first principle. Solution is, let f of x is equals cos ax and f of x plus h, f of x plus h, cos a into substitute x is equals x plus h, cos of ax plus h. So first principle is f dash of x is equals limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. F dash of x is equals limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h is equals substitute cos of ax plus h, cos of ax plus h minus f of x equals cos ax, cos ax by h. Now it is in the form of cos c minus cos d. So cos c minus cos d formula minus 2 sin of c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. F dash of x is equals limit h tends to 0, minus 2 into sin of c plus d, c is equal to ax plus h, ax plus h plus d is equal to x plus ax by 2 into sin of c is equal to ax plus h, ax plus h minus d is equal to x, d is equal to x by 2 by h. So here plus ax minus ax cancel. Now write minus 2 into limit h tends to 0, sin of ax plus x 2ax plus h by 2 into limit h tends to 0, sin of a by 2 into h by h. So minus 2 into, now substitute here, h is equals 0, sin of 2ax plus a into 0 0 by 2 into sin ax by x formula, sin ax by x, limit x tends to 0, sin ax by x formula. So here limit h tends to 0, sin a by 2 into h by h is equals a by 2, a by 2. So formula is limit x tends to 0, sin ax by x, sin ax by x is equals a. So here a is equals a by 2. So a by 2. So 2 ones are minus, so here also 2 ones are minus a into sin ax. So f dash of x is equals minus a into sin ax. Next one, find the derivative of tan 2x from the first principle. Solution, let f of x is equal to given function, that is tan 2x, tan 2x, f of x plus h, f of x plus h is equals tan 2 into, substitute here x is equal to x plus h, x plus h. So tan 2 into x 2x plus 2 into h 2h. Tan 2x. So first principle formula, f dash of x is equals limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This is first principle or definition. F dash of x is equals limit h tends to 0. So here f of x plus h is equals tan of 2x plus 2h. Tan of 2x plus 2h minus f of x is equals tan 2x. Tan 2x by h. Limit h tends to 0. So 1 by h into, write tan of 2x plus 2h is equals sin by cos, sin of 2x plus 2h by cos of 2x plus 2h minus tan 2x is equals sin 2x by cos 2x, sin 2x by cos 2x. So limit h tends to 0, 1 by h. So cos of 2x plus 2h into cos 2x. So here cos of 2x plus 2h, cos of 2x plus 2h cancel. Write sin of 2x plus 2h, sin of 2x plus 2h into cos 2x, into cos 2x, sin 2x into cos of 2x plus 2h, cos of 2x plus 2h. Now it is in the form of sin A cos B cos A sin B. So sin A cos B minus cos A cos A sin B is equals sin of A minus B. Limit h tends to 0, 1 by h. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So here A is equal to 2x plus 2h and B is equal to 2x. Sin of A minus B. It is sin of A is equal to 2x plus 2h and B is equals 2x minus 2x by cos of 2x plus 2h into cos 2x, cos of 2x plus 2h into cos 2x. So plus 2x minus 2x cancel, right? limit h tends to 0, 1 by, right, cos of 2x plus 2h into cos 2x, and limit h tends to 0, sin 2h, sin 2h by h. Now substitute 1 by, substitute h is equal to 0, h is equal to 0. So cos 2x plus 2 into 0, 0 into cos 2x. So here limit sin 2h by h, limit x tends to 0, sin ax by x is equals a. So here a is equal to 2 into 2. So 1 by cos 2x into cos 2x, cos square 2x into 2. So f dash of x. So here f dash of x is equals 2 into 1 by cos square secant square. So 2 into secant square 2x. Next, cot x. Find the derivative of cot x from the first principle. Let f of x is equals cot x and f of x plus h. F of x plus h is equals cot of, substitute x equals x plus h. Now the first principle is f dash of x is equals limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x minus f of x by h. So f dash of x is equals limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h is equals cot of x plus h, cot of x plus h minus f of x cot x by h. Now f dash of x is equals limit h tends to 0, 1 by h into cot of x plus h is equals cos of x plus h by sin of x plus h. Cot is equals cos by sin, cos of x plus h by sin of x plus h minus cot x equals cos x by sin x. So limit h tends to 0, 1 by h into LCM sin of x plus h into sin x. So sin of x plus h cancel. Now write sin x into sin x into cos of x plus h, cos of x plus h, cos of x plus h minus sin x cancel, cos x into sin of x plus h, sin of x plus h. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b is equal to sin of a minus b. So write limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0, 1 by h into sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So here a is equal to x and b is equal to x plus h. So sin of a is equal to x minus x plus h is equal to b. So b is equal to x plus h. So minus x plus into minus h by sin of x plus h into sin x. So here plus x minus x cancel, sin of minus h minus nh. So limit h tends to 0 minus sin h by h into limit h tends to 0 1 by sin of x plus h into sin x. Now minus limit h tends to 0 sin h by h. Now substitute here 1 by, substitute here h is equals 0, sin of x plus h is equal to 0 into sin x. So here minus limit h tends to 0 sin h by h 1 into 1 by sin x into sin x sin square x, 1 by sin square cosecant square. So minus cosecant square x. So differentiation of cot x equals minus cosecant square x. Next one, find the derivative of secant 3x from the first principle. Solution. Let the given function secant 3x, let f of x is equals secant 3x, f of x plus h, right? F of x plus h is equals secant 3 of, substitute x is equals x plus h, 3 of x plus h. Secant 3 of x plus h is equals secant 3x, secant of 3x plus 3h. The first principle is f dash of x is equals limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So f dash of x is equals limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h is equal, substitute f of x plus h is equal secant of 3x plus 3h, secant of 3x plus 3h minus f of x is equal secant 3x, secant 3x by h. So limit h tends to 0 1 by h into, right, secant of 3x plus 3h is equals 1 by cos of 3x plus 3h minus secant 3x equals 1 by cos 3x. So limit h tends to 0 1 by h into LCM cos of 3x plus 3h into cos 3x. So cos of 3x plus h, cos of 3x plus 3h, cos of 3x plus 3h cancel. 1 into cos 3x, cos 3x minus cos 3x cancel. Here cos of 3x plus 3h into 1 cos of 3x plus 3h. So it is the form of cos c minus cos d. Cos c minus cos d is equals minus 2 into sine of c plus d by 2 into sine of c minus d by 2. F dash of x is equals limit h tends to 0 1 by h into, so here c is equal to 3x and d is equal to 3x plus 3h. So minus 2 into sine c is equal to 3x plus d is equals 3x plus 3h. 3x plus 3h by 2 sine of c minus d, that is c is equal to 3x minus d, d is equal to 3x plus 3h, so minus 3x minus 3h. So here minus into plus minus, minus 3h by 2 divided by cos of 3x plus 3h into cos 3x. Cos of 3x cos of 3x plus 3h into cos 3x. Limit h tends to 0 1 by h into minus 2 sine of 3x plus 3x 6x plus 3h by 2 plus 3x minus 3x cancel. Sine of minus 3h into minus sine of 3h by 2 by cos of 3x plus 3h into cos 3x. Now minus into minus plus, so right here 2 into limit h tends to 0 sine of 6x plus 3h by 2 by cos of 3x plus 3h into cos 3x into limit h tends to 0 sine of 3 by 2 h by h. Now substitute here h is equal 0. So sine of 6x plus 3 into 0 0 by 2 by cos of 3x plus 3 into 0 0 into cos 3x. So here limit x tends to 0 sin ax by x formula, sin ax by x a. So here a is equals 3 by 2, 3 by 2. So here 2 ones are 2 3s are. So 2 into sin 3x by cos 3x, cos 3x into 1 by cos 3x into 3 by 2. So 2 ones are sin 3x by cos 3x, tan 3x, 1 by cos 3x, secant 3x into 3. So f dash of x is equals 3 into secant 3x into tan 3x. So differentiation of secant 3x is 3 into secant 3x into tan 3x. Next one, find the derivative of root x plus 1 from the first principle. Solution. Let f of x is equals given function, that is root x plus 1, root x plus 1, and f of x plus h, root, substitute x is equals x plus h, x plus h plus 1. So f dash of x is equals limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. F dash of x is equals limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h is equals, here f of x plus h is equals root x plus h plus 1. Substitute f of x plus h is equal to root x plus h plus 1 minus f of x is equal to root x plus 1, root x plus 1 by h. Now rationalize, limit h tends to 0, root x plus h plus 1 minus root of x plus 1 by h into rationalize with root x plus h plus 1 plus root x plus 1 by root x plus h plus 1 plus root x plus 1. So this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b is equals a square minus b square. So limit h tends to 0, root a square, a is equals root x plus h plus 1, root x plus h plus 1 whole square minus b is equals root x plus 1 whole square by h into root x plus h plus 1 plus root x plus 1. So here square root cancel. Limit h tends to 0, x plus h plus 1, x plus h plus 1 minus into plus x minus x minus into plus 1 minus 1 by h into root x plus h plus 1, x plus h plus 1 plus root x plus 1, root x plus 1. So plus x minus x cancel, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, h 1 ja. So 1 by square root of x plus, substitute h is equals 0, here h tends to 0, h is equal 0 plus 1 plus root x plus 1, 1 by root x plus 1 plus root x plus 1. So f dash of x is equals f dash of x is equals 1 by root x plus 1 root x plus 1 2 into root x plus 1. Next one, find the derivative of x cube from the first principle. Let f of x is equals x cube. Let f of x is equals f of x plus h is equal, substitute x equals x plus h whole cube. So here x is equal, substitute x plus h whole cube. First principle is f dash of x is equals limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x minus f of x by h. So f dash of x is equals limit h tends to 0. So f of x plus h is equals x plus h whole cube, x plus h whole cube minus f of x is equal to x cube minus x cube by h. Now f dash of x is equals limit h tends to 0, x plus h whole cube, x plus h whole cube minus x cube minus x cube by h. Now here add and subtract with h in denominator, add and subtract with x. Now this is in the form of limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a, limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a is equals n into a power n minus 1. N minus 1, n into a power n minus 1. So here n is equals 3 into a is equals x and n is equals 3 minus 1. F dash of x is equals 3 into x power 3 minus 1 2. So differentiation of x cube is 3x square. Find the derivative of log x where x greater than 0 from the first principle. Let f of x is equals log x and f of x plus h, f of x plus h is equals log of, substitute x equal to x plus h, x equals x plus h, log of x plus h. For the first principle, f dash of x is equals limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. F dash of x is equals limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h is equals log of x plus h. Log of x plus h minus f of x. F of x equals log x. Log x by h. So log a minus log b formula. Log a minus log b is equals log of a by b. So limit h tends to 0, 1 by h, log a minus log b. So log of a is equal to x plus h, x plus h by b is equal to x. So limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0, 1 by h into here multiply and divide with x into log of x by x plus h by x. So x ones are limit h tends to 0, 1 by x, 1 by x, 1 by x into x by h, x by h, log of so 1 plus h by x, 1 plus h by x. So here a log b formula, a log b is equals a into log b is equals log b power a. So 1 by x into 1 by x into limit h tends to 0. So let this is a log b, log of 1 plus h by x whole power, here a is equals x by h, x by h. So 1 by x into limit h tends to 0, log of 1 plus h by x. So right here x by h equals 1 by h by x. 1 by x by h is equals 1 by h by x. H by x. One by x log of limit h tends to 0, 1 plus h by x whole power 1 by h by x, 1 by h by x. So limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole power 1 by x is equals e. So here 1 by x log, so this is e, 1 by x into log e 1. So f dash of x is equals 1 by x. If f of x equal log x, then f dash of x equals 1 by x.